Hello, welcome back to Rick's Kits, and here is an update on my 135th Tamiya Greyhound for the Recon group build, hosted by Joachim and Marcus. And this is the steps that I'm at so far. I've completed steps 7, 8, 9 and 10, which is basically getting the upper deck on, the rear covers, all the sundries and handles and windows, etc. I haven't put the tools on. I haven't put the tools on yet because they're going to be last on. And I haven't got the side skirts on, nor the wheels just yet. Because we have things to do. It looks a bit dark. That's because I've got black primer on it. And I'm going to be doing a slightly model effect over the top of that if I can. Right in the bottom of my cupboard, I've managed to find some olive drab out of a Vallejo modulation system. I've got some primer there, but probably not going to use the primer. It's lighter than the actual olive drab itself, which is weird. I don't understand that. But yeah, I've also got the gun, the element, the gun mounted to the rest of the gun, I suppose. I've just got to get all that primed up and put it out along with the turret. So yeah, we're making progress, making headway, and need to see some other bits and pieces. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll get back to you when I've a bit more to talk about or it's complete. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh, so here we are again. We are back once more. As you can see on here, we've got a bit more progress. The turret is not on, by the way. That's just sitting on there so I can see what the elevation of the gun and everything looks like. Side panniers are on, or should I say side skirts and mudguards. Wheels are on. Starting to look the business. Quite happy with the way things are progressing. Turret basket is nearly complete. We just got to paint the white rangefinder markings on the outside of there. Then we've got the heavy mount M36 machine gun mount, which will sit over the top of the turret. Like something like that. Because we're gonna have a 50 cal, why not? Don't have a dog and bite yourself, do you? So yeah. So yeah, we're progressing okay. We've got painted up. No boxes off as well. That's all painted up. Tooling. Starting to paint the tooling up. And then we've got the old dude himself, the commander. That's the only disappointment in this kit. It's a 4-man crew generally, so you've got the driver, the radio operator, the commander, and the gunner. Then they give you one person. What's the point of having the option of opening the front door, the front compartments here, doors, should I say, and not have anybody in there sitting there? Why, you shouldn't have to go and buy aftermarket people just to compensate for this. But other than that, that's really my only gripe. Should have at least two, a commander and perhaps the driver. But yeah, as it stands, it is what it is. So that's the latest update. I'll try and get back to you at the end of the week. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all my subscribers, my new subscribers, and all my old subscribers. You guys are the best. And see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.